Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you Mac Pro. I'm going to upgrade the SSD and I'm going to share with you how to do it. It's very easy and very simple process. At this moment I have a 256 gig SSD and I'm going to change it to 512. Without wasting any time, let's get started. The way you unlock it, you just bring it on this side and it unlocks it. And now the whole canister, we're going to pick it up and it goes all the way straight, just like this. So this is the SSD right here, and in order to open it, this one has a screw which takes a T7 Torx driver. We're going to open the screw and keep it in safe place, don't lose it. And now we're going to grab and pull, just like that. So this is the 256 flash drive and I'm going to change it to 512. So the bottom one is 256 and the top one is 512. So this is the flash drive I'm going to use it. Very easy and simple, as you see the smaller side and the big side on the gold finger contact. So we're going to look at the bottom, put this one in and we're going to press it all the way down. It perfectly fits in, and then we're going to put the screw back in. And make sure that you do the hand tie, and that's it. That's how it's easy to upgrade. And now we're going to put back and we're just going to drop it in. Once we drop it in, this is unlocked. So we're going to slide it on the other side and that will lock. It's fully locked. So that's how it's easy and simple to upgrade your flash drive or hard drive or SSD drive on your Mac Pro from 256 gig to 512. And it takes less than 2 minutes to change it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it does, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.